I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video I thought I would share with you some gentle stretches, great for the morning or in the evening, just to really help lengthen the muscles within the body. Now what we're going to do first, we're going to stand with our feet hip width apart, and you want to make sure that your toes are nice and spread out so you've got maximum surface area on the floor. Placing our hand onto our tummy, just gently breathing in for 3 and holding that core, that engagement if you like. So let's first of all just roll our shoulders back, releasing any tension within the shoulders and the neck. And this nice round backward circular motion. And let's go forward now, incorporating the arms. And then I just like to go back a couple of times just so we can reset the shoulders. So let's start with the head and the neck. Let's just very gently, if you don't have any neck issues, just gently tilt the head to one side. Hands on the shoulders to make sure that you're not sloping, so you're nice and straight. And just have a very gentle stretch on one part of the neck. Gently come up, and then on the other side. Just gently, just a little bit. And obviously see your doctor if you do have any neck issues. And this is a very light, gentle stretch of the neck. And gently come back up. So now with our hands, I'm placing my fingers, I'm interlocking them, and I'm pushing out all the way to the front. Nice stretch on the shoulders and also the fingers. And just hold that stretch. And then you want to come up all the way to the top of your head. Full body stretch. And then gently come back down with the hands. Let's do this 2 more times. So taking our hands, interlocking our fingers, nice gentle stretch. And then just slowly come up so your hands are above your head. Nice full length stretch, remembering to hold that core, that engagement. And then just gently release and come back down with the arms. And one last time, hands interlocking, pressing outwards, holding in that core. And then just gently come back up, full body stretch. And then release the fingers and come back down. So now with one hand on the hip, with our other hand, we're just going to come to the side and stretch the side here, the obliques. Just holding that stretch. And if you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to really help with blood flow and circulation and also oxygen to the body. And come back the other way. Breathe in and breathe out, and then just come into the other side. A lovely stretch, making sure that you're not holding any tension in any other part of the body. And then just gently come back up. And then placing our hand onto our hip, hand behind the hip, and then just very gently breathe out and look to the side and twist. Come back up, come to the side, hand behind, onto the back, finger on the other hip, gently breathe in, and then just out and just do a very gentle twist. You don't need to go too far. And come back out of it slowly. And then with hands onto the hips, let's just lift up our foot, our toes, stretching out the toes, come back down, come back up onto our toes, come back down, come back up. And if you like, you can just pedal it out as well. And then just coming with our feet a little bit further apart, we're then going to just gently take our knee to one side and stretch out that inner thigh. Now you want to make sure that your knee doesn't go over your toes. And then just gently hold that stretch. Again, making sure your core is nice and engaged and tight. And then just come back up, switch legs to the other side. Again, nice stretch of the thighs. Now with our legs here, if you can now just bend down and just, if you can, touch the floor, fine, or if not, just hold on to whatever you can, your knee or your shin. And also we start by just gently breathing in and then breathing out and just gently coming down. And just hold this for a few moments. If you can't put your hand on the floor, you can always hold on to something else. And gently, very slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, come up. And then just gently take your feet out again. So now we're just going to place one foot ahead and just come back out and just gently come forward. And you should feel a really good stretch on your calf. And just hold that for a few moments. Again, if there's any particular spot you feel you need an extra stretch, just stretch out for that little bit longer. Or you can go back to these exercises. So again, on the other side, one foot in front of the other, and just gently come forward and just stretch out the leg at the back. Lovely calf stretch. Again, making sure your knee doesn't go over to your over your toes. And gently come back out. So then we're going to take our hands, come forward, take our thumb down and gently come across our body here and just place your hand on the top or a bit lower, as long as you're not on the bone, and stretch that shoulder. And come out, and then on the other side, hand, thumb down, all the way along, and just hold that. And if you need a little extra on this, you can also just turn your head in the opposite direction. And come back out and just give it a little shake through. And then finally, just with the hands, just give it a nice gentle twist, relaxing the body. And then just a shoulder roll backwards and forwards. And then again, just a couple back to reset the shoulder in place. And that's our stretching routine, morning or evening, or in between, depending how much time you have. So I will post another video just here. If you'd like to join me there, that would be great. Please consider subscribing and a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm to push me out to other people. And please comment down below. Tell me if there's any other exercises you'd like me to share with you, or any yoga. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.